Hi everyone. This video will hopefully try to explain how the KW Rocketry fairings work. I know there's a few other videos out there, but I like the videos when someone actually talks to you and kind of explains what's going on. So that's what I'm going to do on this video, is try to hopefully shed some light on how these things work. I struggled with them for a bit, watched a couple videos, and after some more playing around, I finally figured this thing out. So anyway, what we are looking at here is an Apollo style rocket, and the mission goal was to orbit the moon and then send a lander down to the moon, and then launch the landing can, leaving the base. This is the base down here on the moon, rendezvousing with the orbiter, this guy up here. Let me show the whole thing. That's what it looks like. That's what would be orbiting, and then fly the three Kerbal back to their home world. And the mission went pretty good, except for one minor design flaw, and that is in the landing can here. And this is what it looks like. That's it. That's the whole thing right here. There was not enough power. I ran out of power in the middle of the docking procedure, and luckily Bill actually was able to EVA out and rocket pack back over to the ship, board it, and make it back. So that worked out pretty good. Anyway, let's show you the fairings. So here they are over here, and you can see there's three different sizes: 12525 and 3.75. Yeah. And the way to figure out what fits is to just grab the base. So let's grab I know this 125 is way too small. Forget that. Let's grab a 2.5 fairing base. You put it on, and you kind of get a feel for how high those dots are. And if they don't quite extend beyond your ship, you're probably not going to be in good shape. The difference between the regular and the expanded is the expanded go up higher. So if you got a longer ship like this, you're going to need an expanded base. And like I said, you just need to kind of play with it. Let's try a 375 regular, and we'll put that on here, and it looks pretty good dot wise. It's up there. So let's experiment with the cone. The first thing you want to do to make sure that this thing fits is you try to put the nose cone on. That goes on after the base, and the nose cone determines if this thing's going to work or not. So here's a 3.75 fairing cone, and we're going to put it up here. And as you can see, as I'm lining up these dots with this thing, it clips like crazy. There's no way. All right. So I've only got one other option, and that's the 3.75 expanded. So goodbye base. Let's grab the 375 expanded. Throw that on. Boink. Okay, now our dots look pretty high. Let's try out. All right, take a look. We can go there. We can go way up here, but look, that works just fine. As you can see, it's green. There's no clipping issues, but it's only a third. So let's, there's all three of them. We can put it on, and that's how it should look for a proper fit. There's plenty of room inside. There's no clipping, and we go click to go on. And then let's grab some, let's see, 375 Expando down here somewhere. Boy, this is embarrassing, huh? There it is. All right. And then the way to line these up is you touch the dot right underneath the nose cone. Don't go out here. You don't want to put it on these. You come off of the nose cone. And there it goes. And we'll grab one more. And that should complete the rocket. There you go. That looks nice. And at that point, you can go and grab, whatever you want to put on the bottom. Fill up the rockets and fly away. Keep in mind that this base here is a separator. So when you blow the base, it'll blow whatever is underneath it off of it. And for staging purposes, always have your nose cone, your top, blow first, because that way it'll expose whatever is underneath it, and it won't detach the lower section. So don't do it all at one time. Blow the nose cone, the top section, and then blow your base after that, and you're going to be fine. All right, hope that helps somebody. Thanks.